Today we're gonna take a look at how to change your hard drive. This can be very useful in many scenarios, especially when you're using a slow HDD and want to switch to a fast SSD. First of all, you have to make sure you know how to remove your side panel of your PC case. And on many cases, it's pretty easy because you only got 2 screws which hold the side panel in. And on this particular case, you only have 1 screw. So you remove the screw. And after you removed it, you just have to press gently to your side so the side panel pops out. Now we have to look for the place where you're gonna put the new hard disk in. And in this particular case, it's the bottom left corner. And you can easily spot it by the cables going there. So there are 2 cables, one SATA cable and also another for data. And in the beginning it's a little bit tricky because the cables are really hard to get out, but you quickly realize that you can't damage anything. So yeah, the only thing you have to do now is to unbox your new SSD and plug the cables in. So you either way are going to use the old cables from your old hard drive, or you're gonna use new ones because maybe you want to keep your HDD for your games and only install Windows on your SSD, which I highly recommend. Now the only thing left is to plug it in and put it back in the hard drive cage. And this step is optional, but if you want to use your new SSD as your primary Windows boot section, you have to install Windows on it. For this you're gonna need a USB stick, or you could also use a CD which has the Windows install media on it. In the future I'm gonna make a tutorial on that, so stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time.